Yeah, it is a kidnapping for ransom. The motive is to gain money. It was happened at the evening of August 2 sa isang establishmentong tindahan sa along Friendship Highway, Angeles City. Sabi nga ni Chief ay yun, makikita po natin ay may nakuha kaming CCTV through the backtracking, the conduct of investigation and backtracking, at nakita po namin yung how they conspired with each other and drug the Chinese national victim. Actually, tatlo din pong 5 Chinese at isang Filipina. Bali, 6 po yung suspects at 4 po dito ay lahat ay naaresto. At na-inquest na rin po sila kahapon ng kidnapping for ransom and serious illegal detention.